how to get your Viber code. So if you want to get your Viber code, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need to simply open up your Viber application. After opening, go with Start Now, which will be in the bottom. Tap on Allow. Go and select your phone number. First, go with your country code, enter your mobile number, and then tap on Continue. Tap on Next, which will be in the bottom. And here, you may receive a code to your phone number, but you may also receive a call. So here, as you can see, it says to activate Viber, you will receive a free call. Don't answer it. Use the last 4 digits of the incoming calling number to activate your Viber. So go with Next, and whichever number calls you, you need to enter the last 4 digits of that number. Tap on Call Me, enter the number, and then you'll have your name, date of birth, and everything. You need to tap on the tick, which will be on the right side. And if you want to restore your chat history, you can just simply go and restore from your Google Drive, or you can skip that part. And that's it. That's how you can get your Viber code. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.